Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 30th of June, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a hold accumulate, awarding it a score of 0.58. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 9.13% since we initially recommended purchasing SoundHound AI 19 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 0.48% each day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently situated within the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The existing 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 21.33% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 5.46% to 38.45%. Analyzing the longer term, our 12-month projection suggests an anticipated change of about 28.93%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 0.531% and 206.23% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the anticipated future price within the range of $11.65 to $35.86. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, SoundHound AI Incorporated, from buy candidate to hold accumulate, after the trading session on Friday. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price declined by 2.09% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 25th of July, 2025. The stock price dropped from $11.96 to $11.71. Throughout that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.13%, ranging from a low of $11.52 to a high of $11.99. While the price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days, it is still up by 1.21% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the trading volume decreased alongside the stock price, which is actually a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the stock. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 10 million shares, with a total of 37 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $434,130,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.94. Currently, the price is 53.12%, or $13.27, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also stands as the all-time high for this stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the symbol SOUN, is making headlines due to its rapid expansion in the restaurant voice AI sector, boasting 13,000 live sites and partnerships with major chains through its Polaris technology. This strategic move not only supports the company's current valuation of approximately $5.1 billion, but also indicates a considerable growth runway which could attract new investors in the long term. The company's recent partnership with Avant Communications to enhance the rollout of its AI agent platforms across enterprise markets further solidifies its competitive position, suggesting a robust expansion strategy that could enhance revenue streams. Investors are keeping a close eye on SOUN, particularly as it gears up to report its second quarter financial results on the 7th of August. This upcoming announcement could provide critical insights into its financial health and future prospects. While the stock saw a decline of 8.67% recently, broader market interest in AI technologies remains high. Analysts are discussing SOUN among top AI stocks with significant potential, which could indicate a rebound if upcoming results showcase solid performance. In the short term, Market reactions may fluctuate based on earnings results, but the long-term outlook appears promising as SOUN continues to capitalize on the booming AI sector, positioning itself as a potential millionaire maker for investors. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned SOUN a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright rated SOUN as underperform with a hold action. On the same day, H.C. Wainwright also gave SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. Furthermore, Wedbush assigned a buy grade to SOUN on that day, alongside a hold action. Earlier on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Wedbush rated SOUN as outperform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock currently shows a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If there are further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $12.05. Conversely, if the stock declines, it is likely to find support from the long-term average at around $10.79. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would lead to a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 9, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by approximately 9.22%. A further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average, convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 17 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages again signaled a buy 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.12 and $11.01. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, SoundHound AI Inc. finds support just below today's level at $11.12. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $11.01 and $9.47. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. And due to a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 475 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or 4.13%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 7.84%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.06. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $12.29. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already possess the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $11.12. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Michael Zagorczyk, who bought and sold 193,573 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 43.052. In total, insiders purchased 2,620,990 shares and sold 6,925,147 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.07, indicating a decline of 5.44%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been triggered from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Incorporates presents several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting to maintain or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our assessment of this stock since the last evaluation, downgrading it from a buy to a hold candidate. Upon examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of July, we anticipate that SoundHound AI will open higher by approximately 2.83 cents and begin trading at $11.74. We remind you that trading involves the high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.